Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a folder in File Explorer. Okay, so this is my File Explorer here, and let's get a folder to go ahead and pin. Let's say I wanted to pin this one, right? Games. So all you need to do is right click this, and then come here and just click on Pin it to Quick Access. This will pin it, okay, to your File Explorer. Another method is just, click on that folder. Let's say it's this one. And then you just come here and click on Pin to Quick Access, okay? So go ahead and just click on this and I'll show you. So there we go. I have pinned it to Quick Access. So if I scroll up right now, as you can see, it is currently pinned, okay, to my File Explorer Quick Access. Really that easy and simple.